To fix a dryer that won't turn on, there are several potential issues to consider. The first step is to identify the cause of the problem, which could be a power supply issue, a faulty door switch, or a faulty thermal fuse. To troubleshoot, start by checking the power supply. Ensure the dryer is properly connected to the power outlet and that the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. If the breaker has tripped, simply flip it back on. Additionally, try plugging another electronic device into the same outlet to confirm that the issue isn't with the outlet itself. If the power supply is not the issue, the next step is to inspect the door switch. A faulty door switch can prevent the dryer from turning on, so check for a clicking sound when opening and closing the dryer door. If no sound is produced, the switch is likely damaged and needs to be replaced. A multimeter can also be used to test the door switch for continuity. If the door switch is not the problem, the thermal fuse may be the culprit. A blown thermal fuse can prevent the dryer from turning on, so locate and test the fuse using a multimeter. If the fuse lacks continuity, it will need to be replaced. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your dryer.